ಹತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಹತ್ತನೆಯ ತರಗತಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಠದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳ ಲಿಂಕನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 33 ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಸಾಗೋಣ. ಬನ್ನಿರಿ. ಮೊದಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ದ ಅದರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮನಿ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್. The Consumer Day is observed on March 15th every year. In the case of compensation exceeding 5 lakhs, the complaint has to be submitted to the district forum. Answer the following questions in one word or sentence each. Who is called a consumer? A person who buys or hires or avails services for a consideration called price of wages. What is the main aim of consumer movement? Protection of consumer rights is main aim of consumer movement. What is right of every consumer? The right of every consumer is getting quality goods and services. When did Consumer Protection Act came into force in India? In India, Consumer Protection Act came into force in 1986. Who appoints the President of District Consumer Forum? State government appoints the President of District Consumer Forum. Answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences. What are the problems faced by consumers? The problems faced by consumers are adulteration of goods, hike in price, loss in weight, low quality goods. What are the causes for consumer exploitation? Interference of middlemen, trade malpractices in market, ambition of profiteering. Mention the 4 important aims of Consumer Protection Council. The consumer movements were started by a few people who suffered on account of continuous exploitation by the traders. Such movements brought pressure on the government and allowed it to formulate new acts to safeguard the interest of consumers. In the last 5 decades, more than 30 acts have been implemented. Example: Essential Commodities Act, Weights and Measures Act, Act against adulteration of food articles, etc. The Government of India Act 1986 is a significant step in this direction. Mention 3 stages of consumer courts: District Forum, State Commission, National Commission. What are the methods to follow the file of complaint in consumer court? A handwritten application should be submitted to the court. It should be clear with address, phone number. The particular of the goods by which the losses incurred and the amount of loss should be specified clearly. The bill receipt should be enclosed. There is no need of lawyers. The consumer himself or herself can argue. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ABG ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವಿನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.